If your washer starts shaking violently, or making loud banging noises during the spin cycle, it can quickly become a serious concern. Excessive vibration not only disrupts washing performance, but may also damage internal components over time. One possible cause of this issue is a problem with the weight balancer module. Welcome back to HnK Parts. In this video, we'll walk you through how to troubleshoot the weight balancer module in your washer. The weight balancer module is a heavy component designed to stabilize the drum during high-speed spin and agitation cycles. It helps distribute the weight of the laundry evenly, absorbing shocks and minimizing excessive vibrations. Start by observing the washer during operation. If the machine shakes aggressively or produces loud thumping sounds, the balancer module could be failing. Another warning sign is the presence of fine gray dust or small concrete debris underneath the washer. This may indicate that the internal weighted material inside the balancer is cracking or deteriorating. Next, check the washer display for error codes. Codes such as U, R, U, B, or DC usually indicate an unbalanced load or a stabilization problem. If these codes continue appearing even with a small load, it may point to a mechanical issue with the balancer system. You can also perform a simple stability test. With the washer powered off, open the door and press firmly down on the drum. If the drum bounces repeatedly, the suspension rods may be worn. However, if the drum feels firm but still produces rhythmic banging during operation, the weight balancer module may be loose or damaged. To confirm the issue, remove the exterior panels using a Phillips screwdriver or a power drill. Then use a socket wrench with a 10mm socket to check the mounting bolts that secure the balancer module to the drum. A flashlight can help you inspect the internal area for cracks or damaged components. Visit HnKparts.com for replacement parts and appliance repair solutions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on social media for more helpful repair tips. Thanks for watching.